Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone working with welding defects. Understanding these defects is key to producing high-quality welds. Let's get started. Welding defects can compromise the strength and integrity of your welds. We're going to cover the most common types of defects, their causes, and how you can prevent them. First up is porosity. This defect appears as small holes or voids in the weld metal. It's caused by trapped gas from contamination, improper gas flow, or moisture. Ensure your welding surface is clean and free of contaminants. Check your shielding gas flow rate and keep your work area dry. Next, let's talk about slag inclusion. This happens when slag gets trapped within the weld bead. Clean the weld area between layers and use proper welding techniques. Undercutting is another common defect where the base metal around the weld is melted away. Adjust your welding parameters and travel speed to avoid undercutting. Overlap occurs when the weld metal flows over the base metal without properly fusing. Adjust your heat settings and maintain a consistent angle to ensure proper fusion. Lastly, let's address cracks. Control the cooling rate, use compatible filler materials, and ensure proper welding procedures. Regular inspection and proper technique are your best tools for ensuring high-quality welds. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more welding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy welding.